How to remove Windows 11 bloatware step by step. To remove the Windows 11 bloatware, first of all, you simply have to uninstall application via settings. Go ahead and tap Window button and I from your keyboard to open the settings application. Or you can also use the startup option from the bottom. Now once you're here within the settings application, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on the apps option from the left side menu. Now you simply have to then select the installed application over here or apps and features at the top. From here you should be able to look all the applications that are installed onto your device. Now all you have to do is scroll through the list to find the unwanted software such as Spotify, TikTok, McAfee, and click the three dot next to the application itself over here on the right hand side. Then tap the uninstall button over here from the pop-up menu and confirm by clicking uninstall once again. And this is how you can remove Windows 11 bloatware. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.